Here's some yogurt. Do you want more, Kaylin?
No.
Do you want more? How do you say more? Can you ask for more?
No.
Show me how you say more. That doesn't mean more. That doesn't mean more. Go like this. Say more. More, please. You want more? Okay, here's some more. More? All right, here's some more. Yogurt's so yummy. Kaylin loves her yogurt. More? All right, here's some more. More? Oh my goodness, goodness gracious. How much of this stuff can you eat? More? Oh my goodness. More? Okay, here's some more. Yum, yum.